Hey guys, welcome to my second proper YouTube video. You guys asked for more videos, and here I am. I won't be talking a lot, I'll let the car do the talking for me. So just sit back and enjoy. Car is a 2014 BMW 335i with stage 2 with mod 3, full bolt-on. Probably pushing 460 horsepower to the crank, 420 pounds of torque. Pretty ballsy for an F30. Come on, lady, you can't go left, you can only go right. Oh my god, she figured it out. I can only go right here. Holy fuck. Hopefully, just hopefully, I won't get arrested today. Usually when I fuck around with the car, I have ways open and it'll tell me if there's cops nearby, if people write it down and whatever. But it helps. Better to have some knowledge as to where the cops are than no knowledge. Car's so dirty, I gotta clean it up. Give it a nice little interior detailing. I've only done it once or twice this summer. I've been lazy. It's a beautiful day. 25 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold. I was gonna merge into the right and cut, but there was a Mercedes behind me. I didn't want to be too reckless. My phone didn't fly yet with all that G-force.